There we go. I don't know on this one. I think I'm going to go on and do this number. Doesn't feel right. That doesn't feel right either, where it'll push past there. See that number? You guys ever see them smashed down so far that you got a big gap right there? That's exactly what's going on. That's got pushed over that bar, and those wires back and forth, they break a lot. I went over that on the past video. I actually went over some of this, most of this on the past video. I'll try to make a new playlist with all my Impala videos on it soon. That way this stuff will be a little easier to find and navigate on my channel. I'm so pressed for time lately. I don't have time to edit if I could. Do a lot of those odd and end things I'd like to do. I'll get to it. Man, that does feel so much better. Just doesn't look right back here now. We're gonna try it. Now here's his new covers. He purchased these on his own from, I don't know where. And looking at them, like two different colors, two different ideas and methods here. I guess it's temporary for him anyways. He's going to eventually redo the whole set of seats a custom color. The carpet that I'm installing is a smoke gray, so it's a lot darker color than the original. I don't know if we can see this difference on camera. In person, it's a pretty big difference in the shade. These are the only leather pieces on these aftermarket seats. These 4 strips. This is all vinyl. The side is all vinyl, which is close to the original. The originals are all vinyl on the side and back, and the whole face of them is leather, including the middle. But I know they're perforated leather is very expensive, and it does not last. Leather really doesn't last anyways unless you really take good care of it. Most people don't condition and clean their leather like they should. I probably wouldn't either at the time for all that. And that's supposed to be split open there. That looks better than this one. This one, they've sewn it shut for some reason. And this carpet's extra thin. I don't even put carpet back here. I still do vinyl. I put a foam on it. They did use foam on the sides at least. The original don't. No foam at all on the sides of these. Oh, I didn't plan good for this. Need the camera up higher for you guys to see what I'm doing. Oh boy. Well, let me set it up, and I'll purposely end this clip here and start part 2 from this section once I get it set up. Sorry about that, guys. So if you're catching this on the upload right away, give me another hour after that one. I'll have the next part up.